We are Chang, Zhonglian Aviation Technology Co. Limited, a leading manufacturer of helicopters, headquartered in Wing District, Jiangsu City, Jiangsu Province, China. Our company specializes in the design, development, and production of advanced helicopters. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality and safety, ensuring the reliability of our products. Our manufacturing facilities are equipped with state-of-the-art technologies and advanced testing equipment. We have a team of highly skilled professionals who are dedicated to innovation and excellence in helicopter manufacturing. We welcome clients from all over the world to visit our headquarters in Changzhou and see our production facilities. We will arrange airport pickup for your visit and ensure a smooth and convenient stay. During your visit, you will have the opportunity to see our helicopter in various stages of production and understand our manufacturing processes. We are committed to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring a memorable experience during your visit.